not a dead. Show me I'm not a dead. Show me I'm not a dead. Show me.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Nah. Somebody told me get this. Somebody told me to come get this. They down the street. They told me come get it. Nigga, they just told me to come get it. Down the street. Y'all have me? Tonight, I will see.
Are you having?
Yeah, I got 50 cents.
You can come tomorrow in the morning. Okay, give me 1 second. I will make your
Make sure you keep those doors locked. Also, try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your car just in case.
What the fuck? Call the cops. Yeah, that's my neighbor's house, motherfucker.
We got some crackhead activities here. This guy tries to steal a ladder and an air compressor, but gets caught.
What the fuck are you doing? Bring it back!
We do this.
Check this dispute out. I guess they have a shared driveway.
Which is what?
What? You ready to go get your gun, right? You ready to call the police, right? You think I'm a bitch? Hold on.
You really doing this right now?
What you think? You think I'm pussy or something?
Who said you was pussy,
You think I'm
bro?
pussy or
All I
something? The
asked
same
you
thing
to
you
do
did to the landlord and you did to me.
I don't know.
You threatened to get your gun and you threatened to call the police. You threatened to get your gun. Man, I don't give a fuck about none of that, nigga.
I don't either. So you want to do this, bro?
What you want to do? You
Bro,
pussy, bro.
I'm not
That's what
shit.
it is.
I'm not shit, nigga. You talking all
Right,
that
you
shit,
ain't
bro.
shit, nigga.
I don't.
You
give a
ain't
fuck,
shit,
bro.
nigga.
I don't
Stand
give a
on them
fuck.
threats.
I don't give a
Stand
fuck.
on them threats,
I don't
bitch
give a
ass
fuck.
nigga.
I'm gonna show you a bitch.
What? Show
I'm
me.
gonna show you a bitch. Nigga.
Show me. Show me.
I'm gonna show you a bitch.
Show me.
You really
Show
want to
me.
do, bro?
Show me. Show me. Show me.
You want to do
Show
something
me.
over a fucking
Show me.
driveway?
Show me.
Over a driveway
Show
right,
me.
that you don't own.
Show me.
And
Right.
you immature, dude.
Right.
You an asshole.
Nigga.
All right,
You
Mr.
saw.
Smith. I ain't saw shit. I'm
You
smart.
is.
I'm
You
smart,
always running to
nigga.
go get your
I'm
gun because you
smart,
soft.
nigga. I already got it.
How you this big?
I
You
already got
soft.
it. Nigga, because I don't want to hit your ass.
A nigga came over here to fight you and you was scared
Man,
to fight.
fuck you.
You soft.
And that nigga, bro.
Soft.
Fuck you in that
You're
nigga,
soft.
bro. I don't give a fuck
You
about this
pussy.
place or you.
Right, but you want to stay here because you pussy.
Nigga, I don't want to stay here. Fuck this.
How you don't want to stay
I'm
here?
over this bitch.
You don't want to stay here,
I'm
but you
over
still
this
here.
bitch, bro.
You still here.
When I'm
You
gone,
still
bro,
here.
bro.
You
When I'm
still
gone,
here.
bro.
You still here.
Be a dead, nigga.
Nigga,
Be a
fuck
dead.
you mean, nigga?
Be a dead.
Bitch, I am a dead.
Be a dead.
Show me I'm
Be
not
a
a dead.
dead.
Show
Be
me
a
I'm
dead.
not a dead.
Be a dead.
Show me I'm not
Be
a
a
dead.
dead.
Show me I'm not
Be
a
a
dead.
dead.
Show me I'm not a dead.
I'm
Show me I'm not a dead.
Do something.
Show me I'm not a dead.
Do something.
Show me,
Do
nigga.
something, bro.
Cause I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm telling you.
Do it.
You
Do
can't
it.
fuck with
You're
me.
not gonna do
I'm telling
shit. You're not gonna do
you.
shit.
Show me I'm not.
You're not gonna do
You
shit.
gonna show me
You're
I'm not,
gonna
cause
do
you
shit.
pussy.
I'm gonna show
You
you a
pussy.
pussy. So do something.
Nigga.
Do something,
Show
bro.
me, nigga.
Do something.
Show me,
Do
nigga.
something,
You
Anthony.
were just scared to run
Do
up the
something.
porch.
Do something, bro.
Now you up the
I'm not
porch
scared
today.
of shit,
You
bro.
up, so why you
Nigga,
up the
I'm
porch?
smart, nigga.
Why
You
how
a
you
dumbass
smart?
nigga,
You
bro.
pussy.
You a dumbass
You
nigga,
pussy.
bro. You a
You
dumbass
pussy,
nigga.
I'm
I'ma
you
show
know
you
it,
a
nigga.
pussy.
Show
I'ma
me.
show you. I'ma
You
show
a
you,
fuck
nigga.
boy.
Yeah, I know. Keep talking. Keep talking, bro.
Like, bro, that
I
shit
know how to
is
handle you,
irritating. Like,
dude.
you
I
really
know how to handle you. Don't worry. I got some pictures.
Nigga, I can handle you right now. What the
Do
fuck
it,
you mean?
man.
Pay for
Do
it.
it.
You
Attend
pussy.
to your child,
Nigga,
bro.
fuck you mean?
Attend to your
Boy,
child.
say something else about my child, I'ma hurt you.
Attend to your
You say
child,
something else
bro.
about my child, I'ma
That's
hurt
what
you.
you need to do.
You say something else about my child, I'ma hurt you.
Do it.
I promise you.
Do it.
I promise you.
Do it.
I
you
promise
choose
you.
it.
Do
You,
it.
bro.
I promise you. Say something else about my child, I'ma hurt you.
Attend to your
Say
child.
something about my child, I'ma hurt you.
Attend to your
Say
child.
it.
Go.
Say it again.
Go.
Say it again.
Bro, are you
Yeah,
serious?
it's
This
good.
gonna go to jail, bro. Go. Go, because your little ass gonna go to jail. I invite you to think.
You think I ain't gonna
Stop.
You gonna get changed.
Oh, stop.
Why are you running?
Why are you running from me? Get up. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. I'm going to tase you if you don't put your hands behind your back. Why are you running from me? You don't hear me talking to you? Why are you running? What's your name? You can't talk now? You got any weapons on you? I'll figure out who you are.
Check this guy out. He comes onto this porch talking a bunch of nonsense. Let me know what you think.
He's not. I'm fucking glad he's finally out. That fucking low leg. That's why I'm back. Well, I was actually trying not to be a low life, but there's the low life behind me. We're not about that life no more. Especially him being legal and me not. But he understands. And Miss, I'm not gonna say it out loud because I don't want this nigga alone. But if I got the wrong house, please just say get the wrong house, bro. But I know I'm not. If you got two of them, fuck it, give me a butcher knife. I'll butcher this nigga up. Matter of fact. Love you. Is that okay? I don't know what to do. It's a wrong request. At the right address. I'm not gonna ask. Andrew comes out, hey fool, switch someone out, bro. Legal? Yup. Got you, bro. Pop, pop, pop! That's my fiance, bro. Matter of fact, you want the ring, nigga? Oh, yeah, I just came up on here. Right. What I come up on, nigga? Fucking piece of grass, bro. Put that shit right in your feet, man. It's my fiance, people. Pop, pop, pop! Being shot like right here. I have it. I don't want that. I don't wish death on nobody. I'm not gonna say a name, but I love you. Oh girl, I'll see you again. Matter of fact, I'll see you again.
Keep an eye out for these Amazon drivers, especially the ones in private vehicles.
Yes. Where's my package? Yes. Where's my package? Don't take a picture of it and then lay it on my porch. Yeah. No, G. Yeah. Give me my package. You're on video right now. Give me my package. No. Please don't say no. Give me my package. Put it on it. Put it right there. All right. And then walk away. All right.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
Get out of my fucking yard! Can I help you with something? Fucking trying to break into my car? Yeah, you need to get the fuck out of here before I call the police. Yeah, I do, because you're nosing around my car. I just saw you on Ring Doorbell. What'd you take out of my car? Excuse me?
Put that back. Put it back.
Go away. Get out of my driveway.
Is Jeffrey home?
No, there's nobody named Jeffrey here.
I was with him yesterday.
Girl, let me close this back door. There's nobody named Jeffrey here.
What are you doing? Who are you? Hello? What are you doing? Who are you? Leave the things. Harry.
You are currently being recorded.
Hello? Hey. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Kaylee! Well, that's alright. I'll post up out here. They gotta come out sometime. Then I'm gonna beat her fucking ass. Watch. You gotta come out sometime, Kaylee. It was gonna be easy. I was just gonna get my shit. Come on, Phil.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next.